beauty, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Mabel. If you haven't subscribe to my channel, click that notification bell, watch my video to the end. Today's video, I just want to introduce one other product I'm introducing into my black soap. Now I'm starting to make mass production because I've got loads and loads of requests on this, and I can't sell it until it's on the 10th. Our promo is on the 10th of this month. You don't want to miss out. Trust me, you don't want to miss out. And after the promo, I'll be doing this selection of 5 to 10 people to try out my product, and it's just going to be within UK and Europe. Like I said, posting to an African country is too expensive for those people that will buy, and if you win, I'm going to include it and send it off to you as well. But that will be introduced just a week after the promo. That I promise you, I'm going to do that. So I'll send you guys my product to try out, and what you just need to do is just go follow me on my IG. A lot of updates going to be on there. In case I don't come onto YouTube to announce it, check my Instagram. You need to follow me on my Instagram. The new product I'm introducing is the POMELO. POMELO is found mostly in the Asia country, and also is common with Chinese as well. This fruit is amazing. It contains antibacterial, antifungal, anti-inflammatory, and is very high in antioxidant, which contain vitamin C to help fight free radical. It helps fight and also decrease the formation of aging, help with decoloration, sunburn. It helps with hyperpigmentation. It's also the skin, the peel of this fruit is found to fight against cancer. You can go make your research. Google is your friend. I'm going to leave the name on the screen so that you guys can make research on it. This fruit is amazing. It helps to maintain youthful look. Oh my god, this, for me to introduce this fruit, no, is amazing. The other one I introduced, check out my other previous video on black soap. I also added peach. Peach is amazing. It helps with blemishes and also under eyes, that is help to get rid of dark eye circles. So it's very good. So you don't want to miss it. So I'm just going to start. I'm not going to talk. We all know the benefit of what I'm going to be using. These are purely rich in fruit acid, and fruit acid, we know the benefit of fruit acid. Fruit acid, where it's gotten from, is from fruits such as apple, pineapple, carrot, orange, and so on. So all these products are rich in fiber, rich in vitamins, loads of vitamins C, A, B, just name it. So to nourish your skin, to glow your skin, to help clear blemishes. It's not like to clear it, to start fading it up gradually, then clear it completely. It brighten up your complexion. In fact, it's amazing. This is what I'm using, and also I'm going to be doing the formation of the body wash as well. So I've got loads and loads of stuff, getting 2 extra staff to help me out as well. So you don't want to miss out. Go support your girl. On the 10th of this month, you guys need to go get your hands on my product up to 50%. This is to mark our 3 years of being in skincare. Just my way of appreciating you guys, to say thank you so much. Subscribe, share this video to your friends and family, and yes, let's get cracking. Make sure your work area is clean. You want your work area to be very clean. Clean this, I allow it to dry. If you can't allow this to dry, you can use your hand towel, like your tissue paper, to dry it. If not, you can just use your distilled water to wash. After you've already washed with the tap water, use the distilled water to also rinse out the tap water from it, because you don't want any of those tap water to be inside. All we want is just the juice extracted from this. That's why I'm using the juicer. So this is my black soap that I've already grated. I got like about 10 of these, so I'm just gonna start with it. If you haven't watched my video on how I formulate my black soap, you need to go and watch it. I just had to do this video because of the new food I introduced into it. So the food I've used, I've already stated it. I will try and leave the link in the description box so that you guys can click on it and watch it and watch this, so that you can know what food to buy for those of you that want to be making this to sell. And those of you asking me for training, I'll let you guys know after my promo. If I don't do it next month, my training, I've got loads of people that want to train with me. This training is going to be in 5 or 6 different types, where I'll be teaching you how to formulate your lotion, serum, soap, body wash. Soap, I mean how to make your black soap. As you guys can see, I'm going to show you how I make my black soap from the scratch, what and what I add, the percentage, how you can formulate small or large batch, and the body wash. We have different stuff that we use to make body wash. I'm also going to talk about how you can do body scrub, and a bonus one which is going to be hair, how to make your hair shampoo, condition. So I'll let you guys know, because it's a very in-depth training that I'm going to give you good detailed information. Now I am busy, so once I'm less busy, guys, I'm going to do it. I might do a training next month, which is December. If not, it will be next year by the grace of God. But for those of you that have been asking, I will do it. That's why I say go follow me on my Instagram. I leave loads and loads of updates on there, so you need to go follow me if you haven't. Thank you so much, love you guys. So go watch the video on how I formulated this product, and I'm going to outline the information of the ingredients I also added. I'm going to pour this inside this. I've got the color ozone, also have my cornwood in it. I have the magic whitening ball and the anti-pimples ball in the soap, I mean. Yeah, so thank you so much. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Love you guys. This is my malotto, which I've already grated, so I'm just going to start this formulation. I got like about, these are already in grams, so this is in grams, so I have to do it in little grams. I don't want too much this thing. I want the whole thing, the ingredient I'm going to be putting in it, to penetrate into it properly. And great feedback from this product, loads and loads of testimony from this product. So thank you so much. Bye. For those of you that will be training with me, I will give you an hint of the extract. You see the extract, the multicolor extract on top of the black soap. I'm going to tell you, because you need this extract for you to get that effective result in your black. This extract comes in different color. You have the one that comes in white. The one I'm using is multicolor. Don't be deceived. This is not color ozone. I have the color ozone in it. You know color ozone for those of you that are formulating, and for those of you that want to learn, this will be a bonus hint for you, and I will tell you where to get it. It's very good.